now you're looking at a room that I recently just decorated. It was a half makeup and half gaming room, but the room wasn't actually functioning for them. It wasn't representing their style. I think that's a common problem that a lot of people have. Uh, they really don't know how to design it. So those are before pictures. And I also created mood boards to help the client visualize the ideas that I have for their spaces, but it's totally based on their likes. So that's that. And once they were on board, I went ahead and did my thing. Check it out.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
Guys, I'm so in love with this room. I think it works so well because there's a sense of symmetry. One side has the dark desk and the dark shelves, and then the other has the white. And each person gets to represent, their style. He's into gaming, his sneakers, some anime, and she's into more glamour, makeup. I think I did it really well. What are your thoughts, your opinion? Let me know.
To get my